2x power minus 2 into 3y power minus 3 by 2x whole power minus 2 into y cube. It's a wonderful question. And so we need to go step by step, and we need to go very carefully here. 2x power minus 2 is 2 by x square. This is 3 by y cube. 2x whole power minus 2. 2x power minus 2 is 2 by x square. 2x whole power minus 2 is 1 by 2x the whole square. Right? 3y power minus 3 is 3 by y cube. Y cube is just y cube. Right? So we can isolate x's separately, we can isolate y separately, and then simplify this. Fine. So this is 2 by x square into 3 by y cube by 1 by 2x the whole square into y cube. And so this is 2 into 3 is 6 by x square y cube by y cube by 4x square. So 6 by x square y cube into 4x square by y cube. X square and x square get cancelled. 6 into 4, 24. 24 by y power 6. 24 by y power 6 is the answer. Absolutely wonderful question, because we have a clear understanding of all these terms. Fine. So x power minus 1 is 1 by x. X power minus 2 is 1 by x square. 2x power minus 2 is 2 by x square. 2x whole power minus 2 is 1 by 2x the whole square. Y power minus 3 by y cube. Y power minus 3 minus 3, which is y power minus 6, which is 1 by y power 6. X power minus 2 by x power minus 2 is 1. When we're using a bunch of these ideas, so you should need to know very comfortable in managing and manipulating powers and numerator and denominator. Simple rules: a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n. A power m whole power n is a power mn. A power minus 1 is 1 by a. These keep getting used in different shades, but you need to know these four and know how we can kind of manage and manipulate this and shift this in algebraic expressions.